Now I'm in the Canvas software for my Cricut. I've uploaded my images and I select the design that I want to take over. I select it, left click on the design that I want, and then I add it to Canvas, which takes you here to the cut file. Once you get this cut file, you'll see it's all grouped together. So in order to get this O, you need to make a cut file that will cut the center of the O out. In order to do that, the first thing you're going to have to do is go over here to your ungroup the items. Then you're going to select the two parts of the O, the inside, hold the control key down, and select the outside of the O. Once you do that, you go to the bottom and you'll notice that these are all highlighted, and you go to slice. Okay, once you get to the slice, you realize, and you see over here to your right hand, that now the O has it's hollow on the inside. So if I were to hit make now, it takes you to the cut file, but you notice it still has the two. It's going to cut this out of the fabric, which you really don't need, but you see that the O is hollow, so I'm going to cancel this out. I just wanted to show you what to do. So once you have this and you've selected the slice option, and now that your O is hollow, I just get rid of this. I highlight it and delete it, and then there's another one and I highlight that one and I delete that one. Now you go to the make, and there are your letters. The O is hollow, and there's the two M's. And once you have your cut file, it looks like this, and you just push continue and it sends it to your Cricut, and then you're ready to go. Hope this helps. If anybody wants the Cricut cut file and the embroidery file, if you would just subscribe to my channel, hit like, and in the comments section tell me where you would like the file sent, and then what embroidery file you need, and I will be so happy to share it with you.